You want to stop? You want to stop? Tell them we're having technical difficulties moving into this room right here.
Which one?
2010.
2010.
2010.
We're having technical difficulties.
They got to come to 2010.
Come to 2010.
Tell them we can't record it unless they go to 2010.
Y'all need some help with it, or is that one ready to go? Get everybody on the right. Both y'all can have that side. You want to start with me saying this, or you start with yours?
Chairs. Can I have a minute with
I'm
them?
understand. Well, you got about a minute, Mr. Wiggins. I'm sorry.
That's all
We've
right.
been going back and forth. You got a
You
minute.
want us to leave? This room is actually...
1 minute.
Okay.
This room is what?
This
Is
is
it
the room.
hot right now?
Record. Yes, probably.
Well, can we just step outside for a minute?
Sure.
They want to talk for a second.
Right, they want to talk for a second there, then if not, we can report it in 7.
Yeah.
I'll have sales read the instructions.
I'm sorry. Hey, I understand.
I'm glad I got to do that.
You know what I always say? You gotta go to your...
Are we ready now?
Do y'all need an extra chair? We need an extra chair unless you don't want to.
I'm going to stand just for a moment. I'm not going to be here for the whole conversation. I'm going to be here for my department. Everybody ready to go forward?
Before we go on, I want to say, he tells me that he knows a lot. He doesn't know how much you want him to tell. I told him just to answer your questions.
We're going to be very thorough about everything that he knows.
Okay.
If you feel the need to talk to Eric, just
If
indicate.
you want to know everything that I know, you're going to be here all night.
Yeah, so what I was going to
I'll come
suggest
back
was,
tomorrow and
if
talk
time's
to
of
you
the
again.
essence, maybe you want to get out of him what you need to get out of him. We come back for a subsequent. I don't know.
We'll see where we're
That's
at.
fine.
They know what
I
they're
was just
doing.
giving you a heads up on
I
that.
understand. I understand. All right. We're going to begin with the Miranda, just so you are aware of it, even though it may not actually apply at this point, but just to be on the safe side so you know everything. Now, there's going to be one statement in there that is not going to be accurate, and then I will correct that when we get to my part. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, sir, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used as evidence against you in court. You have the right to have a lawyer present while being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, the lawyer will be appointed for you without cost before questioning. If you wish to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering questions at any time. These are the statements I read to you. You'll read that statement there and sign if you're willing.
I'd known I was going to be doing any reading. I'd have got my reading glasses out there.
I'm going to clarify that in a moment because based on our agreement, part of that will not apply, and it'll be very clear on the record.
And for the record, it says that he has read the statement. It's just said on the record that he doesn't have his reading glasses. I will confirm that I have read agreement and it's consistent with what you just said on the record.
I appreciate it. Mr. Wiggins, my name is Greg Marcel. I'm Assistant State Attorney. As such, I'm authorized by Florida law to give you use immunity, and based on our Which agreement? That's what I'm doing. I know, we hadn't done it. As I was saying, my name is Greg Marcel. I'm Assistant State Attorney. As such, I am authorized by Florida law to grant you use immunity for the statements that you're going to give today. Use immunity means that the statements that you make cannot be used against you. The additional aspects of our agreement are that there is no promises as to whether or not you might be charged as a result of your involvement. We cannot use those statements against you to prove those charges. We will give consideration to your cooperation in making a decision as to whether or not you should be charged. You've also asked about, I believe it's Pam Long or Pam Wiggins. We have agreed that even though she will be charged with accessory after the fact, we will agree to a bond of $10,000 and allow her to be released on that bond once she is processed. The statements that you make, I understand that you are concerned about those statements being used against her. There is no promises that those statements will not be used against her, but we will take your consideration, your cooperation into consideration in deciding how that would be handled. Eric, does that state our agreement as you and I have previously discussed?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Do you understand that, Mr. Wiggins?
Yes.
Okay, based on those understandings, are you ready to answer the questions of the officers?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
We're not going to go in exact order that probably you would want. The first question we have is, where is the safe?
Do you want me to tell you, or do you want me to take you to it?
I want you to tell me at this point.
Well, first of all, I don't know for a fact that it's there. I was just told that it was there.
Who told you?
Pam told me
When did she tell you?
yesterday
And
or
what was
last
that
night.
location she gave you?
In the backyard
Of
the house.
your house?
Yes.
What's that address?
1247 Ramblewood Drive.
Where is it buried in the backyard?
Under a pile of bricks.
Is that sufficient? You were at that house, do you recall pile of bricks?
Yes.
Okay.
In the backyard.
The murder weapon?
There again, like, I don't know these things to be true. That's just what I was told.
Okay. What was she giving you? Where is it at?
Under the back seat of a car.
Which car?
1971 Buick GS.
Where is that car currently located?
I don't know where the car is. It's supposed to be getting the air conditioner fixed. That's all I know. She can tell you that.
When did it get taken to get fixed?
The car?
Yes.
I don't know. It happened when I was gone.
And she said it's under the back seat?
That's what she told me.
And she let this car go to a shop for repair?
I don't. The car may have already been there. I don't know. I don't know. You're asking me questions I can't answer. The car was probably already there. The car was there.
Okay.
I think she took the car before.
Okay. Now where is there?
I don't know. I don't know where it is. It's over on the west side somewhere.
Okay. Have you been present for her to take the car for repair before?
No.
Have you heard of where she has taken the car to be repaired before?
She told me who the guy is, but I never met him. I don't know him. I'm not even sure what his name is.
Anything about him? Phone number?
No, I
Location,
don't.
phone number?
The car's over. It's on the west side. That's all I can tell you. I mean, I could take you there. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Because she said something about it. One time. Like I said, I've never been there. Never talked to the guy or any of that stuff.
If you could take me there, explain to me how you would take me there.
I think it's off of Jackson.